Nestled in lush green hills in central Sri Lanka, Kandy stands as a vibrant city, celebrated for its captivating blend of rich cultural heritage and breathtaking natural beauty. At its heart lies the Temple of the Tooth Relic, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing pilgrims and travelers from across the globe to pay homage to Buddha's Tooth Relic. Surrounding the temple, Kandy unfolds with a tapestry
Yeah.
of picturesque attractions, including its tranquil lake. The city's colonial-era architecture lends a
I'm
nostalgic
not sure
charm
yet, babe.
to its streets,
I just want to get a
while
yeah.
bustling markets brim with vibrant colors and aromas, inviting visitors to indulge in local flavors and artisanal crafts. Throughout the year,
Yeah.
Kandy comes alive with an array of colorful festivals and cultural events, each offering a glimpse into Sri Lanka's rich traditions and heritage. Beyond each urban allure, Kandy serves as a gateway to the surrounding countryside, offering
Market is
breathtaking
free.
views
We can.
and immersive
Yeah.
experiences in the art of tea cultivation. We hope you can experience the magic of
Yeah.
Kandy firsthand soon. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Hello. Good. America.